Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set live wallpaper in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. First of all, go to settings. Then go to lock screen and wallpaper and click on wallpaper and here select live wallpapers. Okay, from these three options you can select a wallpaper. I select this one and click on apply. Yes, the live wallpaper is now applied. Okay, see the changes. Both home screen and lock screen have now this live wallpaper. Okay, again I go to the settings, then go to lock screen and wallpaper and click on wallpapers and select another one and click on apply. And here you can set this wallpaper to home screen or both. Apply to home screen and lock screen. Yes, the live wallpaper is now set. Okay, so from these three options you can set. Three live wallpapers are available here. You can use these three live wallpapers for home screen as well as lock screen in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.